You come to the gym hoping to lose weight and get that perfectly shaped body you only ever dreamed of. What happens next is after weeks of sweaty hard work, you lose the excess weight but you still cannot afford to smile. How can you smile when you look in the mirror and find your skin sagging? Worry not, because loose skin, while hard to reverse, is preventable. You need to understand why loose skin occurs and discover the foods to tighten loose skin. Truly healthy skin is elastic, firm, and hydrated. This is most noticeable when you can see that your skin is tight, plump, and glowing. Loose skin or skin laxity occurs when there is a significant loss of collagen, elastin fibers, and hyaluronic acid. Collagen forms about 1/3 of the body's protein composition. It is like the glue that holds your body parts together and provides structure. There are plenty of collagen types in your body. The fourth type is mainly concerned with skin and infiltration. A significant loss of the body's collagen composition causes the skin to sag and become less flexible. Best foods for skin tightening. 1. Avocado. Avocado may probably be one of the most popular fruits in a social media-worthy diet. There is a good reason for this aside from the aesthetic purposes of your avocado toast. This delicious fruit contains healthy fats, meaning consuming avocado keeps skin supple and hydrated. It also contains vitamin C and E. 2. Beets. Beets are highly concentrated antioxidants and include vitamin C and vitamin A in the form of carotenoids. Beets help in detoxification as well as anti-inflammation. Once puffy and inflamed skin appears smoother and firmer. Beets also contain folate, a nutrient that is also known as folic acid, only that it is found naturally in foods. Folic acid is responsible for the healthy growth of the cells. 3. Bell pepper. Bell pepper is a powerful source of two vitamins important for the skin, vitamin C and zinc. It also contains the antioxidant vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, which is evident in its warm, reddish hues. Put sliced bell peppers in your main course dishes and salads. A pizza fan? Bell peppers are perfect. Raw or cooked, these sweet, colorful peppers are going to elevate your next meal. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is a powerful source of vitamins A and C. It also has selenium, which is a mineral that aids antioxidants and its functions as a skin protector. Broccoli even contains lutein, which is a type of carotenoid. It converts to vitamin A and is associated with reducing the risks of skin cancer. 5. Brussels sprouts contain high levels of antioxidants, including vitamin C. It is also a source of omega-3 fatty acids. Brussels sprouts can help reduce oxidative stress, making them good for the skin. 6. Carrots. Remember carotenoids when you think of carrots. Its warm, orange color is attributed to the vitamin A it contains in the form of beta-carotene. Whether you eat it straight from the fridge or cooked, it is a sure source of antioxidants. Just consume carrots in moderation, or you can risk having your skin look like the color of carrots. 7. Dark chocolate. You cannot leave out desserts, and if you are looking for a healthy option, dark chocolate is always available. Cocoa is high in antioxidants and helps in hydrating the skin. It can also contribute to smoother and less sensitive skin. 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are known to be significantly healthier when cooked, so incorporating them in dishes other than salads is the best way to go. Tomatoes contain vitamin A, beta-carotene, and lutein. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, is also popularly known to be found in tomatoes. A healthy lifestyle and diet are key to having the skin you dream of. It doesn't need to be flawless. It only needs to be in its natural, tight shape. By incorporating these foods to tighten loose skin, you can now worry less and live more.